Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. On the BNB chart, we can see just sideways consolidation range. It is quite interesting because this is really a very clear triangle pattern, which, if this is the correct wave count, could really break to the upside. There's at least an opportunity there. The support region that was presented before certainly did sort of work, and several times already the market bounced from that support level. Okay, so paradise for swing traders here, especially since the support area was communicated the first time, that was in March, and the price reacted several times, and you get quite a lot of volatility from these swings. Now it's getting less and less because we're heading into the apex of a triangle, but we had movements of like 20%, within this range of a triangle. And, is it going to break out to the upside or not? That's not what I can promise you or tell you. But it will break out. Question is in which direction. The thing is, what I like more than, for example, the trend lines are the Fibonacci levels. They are more reliable. So the advantage of this scenario here is that even if the triangle is broken to the downside, then we can still get support from these Fibonacci levels. And I would use the lowest level in the range to calculate position size. That's $427, because that's really the level that if we break below that, then the overall bullish thesis for one more high will get pretty much invalidated. At least it's not an impulse anymore. I'm currently looking at this as a wave 4, and it's possible that the triangle completed here on the 1st of May. So the key level really for an upside breakout is that this level needs to hold at $536, but it looks more as if the white count is unfolding, that both different, they are both different pathways in this triangle, shared with you already in the last video. And I highlighted that, okay, normally when a triangle is broken, we really want to see strong upside movement. That hasn't happened yet. So it's possible the triangle is still unfolding, but still, as long as we're holding the 1st of May low, it's possible that this is an E wave. Actually, the C wave would stay where it is probably. So actually it's this low. So we have two key levels. For the yellow count, it's 536. And for the white count, it is this swing low at $515. That really needs to hold. That's the key level, but that is only relevant for the triangle. Okay, so I hope that's clear, because triangles, they have to, and especially this type of triangle, we have to look at it and we have to see higher lows and lower highs. Now, if, for example, the C wave of the triangle breaks, then this is not a valid triangle anymore that we can understand as, upside breakout structure. But because triangles often morph into something different, it could transform into a so-called WXY pattern. And in the Y wave, it would look like that. We would say, okay, probably this was a WX, and maybe we're now in the Y wave, which then is again something like an A, B, C, or even the B wave is a triangle. There are many options, so it's best to just focus on the key levels instead of worrying about like 10 wave counts that could apply here on the micro. And if we see a break to the downside, it's likely going to be the $470 level, which is going to be tested next. It's the 38.2 retracement, or 427, but more like, so first the 470 level. Now with these triangles, you never really know in which direction it's breaking out. Therefore, for a confirmation move, we need minimally a break above the D wave high, when first, depending on which count we're looking at, but the first level that needs to be broken is $608, but that's only an indication. It is the B wave that really matters, and that's a break above this swing high from the 12th of April at $631. That would be a confirmation, not certainty, but confirmation that we're breaking out to the upside. And the next upside targets, that's the range between $708 and $807. That's the next key area to watch. I'm not saying that this is definitely where it's going to stop or so, but as long as we're holding the red line, that move up is possible directly from a breakout pattern, or from a triangle pattern. Okay, if we dip into the support region, it wouldn't be great, but it could still be a fourth wave. So the overall scenario doesn't change. It's just that the micro patterns within the correction are changing. I have to say, with any analysis, you get a level that will invalidate the bullish thesis, and that's $427. So technically, if you're trading overall the wave 4 for a wave 5, you have to be comfortable with the price dropping down to 427. But if you're just trading for the triangle breakout, then it is the 15th, one second, yeah, the 15th of April low at 514, because a break below that will hint, well, it will invalidate the triangle as it is. It's always possible that it then attempts a move. That's why I say generally this orange support region is more relevant than the absolute micro count. And often these triangles, they don't break out into the expected direction. Yeah, it's just something that you can only learn by experience. That especially watching the market all day, I can tell you that in this cycle there haven't been many triangles, not real Elliott wave triangles. Therefore, it's worth being skeptical about it, but it's also worth watching it for an opportunity. That's my update about BNB. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.